Hello, we are solving quadratic equation, and in this video we are looking at an example where the coefficient of x squared is not 1. So solve 3x squared plus 2x minus 8 equals to 0. In the previous videos we are looking at examples where the coefficient was 1, but now the coefficient is not 1. We have to first multiply this with that to get the factors. So 3 times 8, we get 24. So you have to look for factors of 24. Factors of 24 will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, and 24. Now from this list, we pick 2 factors which multiply to get negative 24, because this was a negative, and they should add to get a 2, that is for the sum. So the 2 factors will be 4 times 6. 4 times 6 gives us 24, but we need the negative. And as I told you in the previous video, the negative is determined from the sum. So 4 plus 6, since we want a 2, the 4 should become a negative. That negative 4 plus 6 gives us a 2. So this one becomes a negative. And now we can write our equation in this new form. 3x squared. Then I replace this with a plus 6x, then minus 4x, and then minus 8 equaling to 0. So pairing these, the first 2 terms of the equation, what is common is 3x. And we are left with x plus 2. Then in this part, negative 4 is common. We are left with x plus 2 equaling to 0. As I told you, this and that should always be the same. So that will be x plus 2 is the common term, and you are left with 3x minus 4 equaling to 0. So either x plus 2 equals to 0, which gives us x to be negative 2, or 3x minus 4 equals to 0, which gives us x equals to 4 over 3. So these are the 2 answers to our quadratic equation. Thank you.